Alright, today we're gonna install the classic editor for the course. I'm gonna click on post and add new to show you the Gutenberg editor. I'm not gonna talk about it, I'm not gonna give a preview about it because I don't like it, and I'm gonna use the normal editor for the course. So right over here you have Gutenberg, and you can enter there text and your title and an image if you want, but I'm gonna show you only how to install the classic editor. So I'm gonna go to plugins and add new, and right over here I'm gonna search for classic editor. This is a normal editor, and it has nearly 1 million installs. So I'm gonna click on install now, and I'm gonna click on activate. I'll wait. Okay, and now we'll show you the normal editor, the classic editor, by clicking on post and add new. And okay, this was how it was before, much better in my opinion. So I'm gonna leave this because this is the normal editor and we are going to use the normal editor for this course. So yeah. Now we can jump into the next lecture.